Break ID number 5855. 2018 Bowman High Tech Baseball 2-box break. Combo spots based on hit count, which also takes away the PC team bonus. Go. And there you go. Devers rookie. Jesus Sanchez, actually a very good player. Rays, Michael BL. 2 left in the next Prism Draft Picks football. Shane Boz. Pittsburgh. Travis D.O. And no relation to Shane Boz. Michael Baez to the Padres. Dave T.H. And no relation to Michael Baez is Shane Boz. I just have root beer. That's it. That's blue parallel to 75. Pittsburgh. Just had it. Pittsburgh. Wow, just had it 2 cards ago. Travis D.O. My goodness. Hey, Kent. Jake Berger to 191. Michael White. Alex Fado. Detroit. Brett H.E. Austin Beck. Oakland Joshua H.A. Jorge Guzman. Miami. Brett H.E. And oh my, Gleyber Torres on card and purple parallel to 150. Yikes. Yankees, Jesse C.O. Nice card. Shed Long, Brendan McKay. All right, I just put another one of these up, but it's a single box, 4 autos, and crazy price.